Hey everybody, welcome back to my kitchen and welcome back to my channel. Pull up a chair, sit down, and let's cook something delicious together. Do you have some leftover turkey? Do you have some leftover beef? That's what we have from Thanksgiving and Christmas. What we're going to do is we are going to make some jerky. Some people say you have to make jerky with raw meat. I like to make mine with leftovers. It just gets a little more brittle, it's less chewy, and I like it that way. What we're going to do is we're going to get a bowl. We're going to add in 1 cup of soy sauce, 1.5 cups of Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of liquid smoke, 1 tablespoon of seasoned salt, and 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. I have that all added to my bowl. Now, if you want to make it a little bit hot, you can put 1 tablespoon of crushed red peppers in it, 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper, and then I like mine sweet and hot, so I put in 2 tablespoons of Florida's honey and 2 tablespoons of the red hot sweet chili. We're going to mix that all together. We're going to pull our our turkey apart. We're going to pull our beef apart. We're going to put these in 2 different bowls and we're going to let them marinate overnight. Here's our beef. We're going to put it in the refrigerator for 24 hours. Here's our turkey. It already is soaking up that juice. We're going to put that in the refrigerator for 24 hours. See you back in the morning. Good morning. All right, so this is marinated overnight, over 24 hours. So now we are just going to put this right on our food dehydrator trays and we're going to get this going. We're going to do our turkey first and then we're going to do the beef after we're done with the turkey. So maybe tomorrow we're going to let that marinate just a little bit more because it takes a little while longer to get the seasonings into it. So basically we just got this on here and you're just going to lay them right on your trays. We're going to continue to do this the whole way through, adding trays on top of it, letting a little bit of, space in between. And then we're going to turn on this dehydrator. So let me get this all loaded up. We've got 4 trays of our turkey jerky that we're making. We're just going to go ahead and put the lid on this. And we're going to plug it in. And then we're going to set it. And there we go. We're going to let this go and we're going to check it. I like to rotate mine every couple hours and also start pulling off the thinner pieces so they don't get done. But we'll check back when we're all done.